Children, now open page number 32 of your grammar book. We are doing the topic I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Now children, we need to remember that we use these words like I, we, you, he, she, it, and they in place of what? In place of naming words. And we use them when we talk about the same person or thing many times. Alright? Now children, I've already told you how to use these words and when to use these words. So let's move on to the book exercises. Exercise A. Tick the correct words in the bracket. I, we, he am late. I want to go now. So here we'll use what? We'll use the word I. As we know that with am, we always use the word I. So I am late. I want to go now. Second, he, you, it are a good boy. You are kind to animals. Now, what will we use here? We'll use the word you here. Because you is used when you is used for the person one is talking to. And here we are saying that you are kind to animals. So we are talking to a person here who is present. So you are a good boy. You are kind to animals. Third, there is a park near our house. Dash, play there in the evening. We, he or I. Now there is a park near our house. Now in the picture also children you can see that there are 3 people shown here. So what will we take here? We'll take we. And when do we use we? When we are talking about others including oneself. Okay? So, there is a park near our house. We play there in the evening. Next, Meenu went to the baker. Dash bought biscuits from him. Now, we are talking about a girl here, Meenu. So, for girls, we use what? We use she. So, Meenu went to the baker. She bought biscuits from him. Next, Gangu is a potter. Dash makes beautiful pots. Now, we know that Gangu is the name of a man. And for man, we use he. So, Gangu is a potter. He makes beautiful pots. Next, show me this photograph. Dash is beautiful. Now, here we are talking about a photograph, a thing. And for things, we use what? It. So, show me this photograph. It is beautiful. Next, go and wash your hands. Dash are dirty. Now here we are talking about hands. And we are talking about more than one thing here. Okay? So when we talk about many things, like we are using plural here, hands. We are not saying go and wash your hand. It is plural, hands. So when we talk about more than one thing, then we use the word they. Okay? So go and wash your hands. They are dirty. Alright? Let's move to the next page. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it or they. First is Mrs. Verma is the principal of our school. Dash is a very friendly person. Now Mrs. Verma, we are talking about a woman here. So we'll use she. She's a very friendly person. She is in her office now. Next, Ram and Lakshman were brothers. Now we are talking about 2 people here. So we'll use they. They were princes. They were very brave. Next, don't drink this water. Now here we are talking about water. Water is a thing, so we'll use what? We'll use the word it. So don't drink this water. It is not pure. It has some dry leaves in it. Next, Nikhil and I are neighbors. Now we are talking about ourselves and Nikhil and I. As I told you that when others are included along with oneself, then we use the word we. So here we'll write we. Remember children? We is used for talking about others including oneself. So here we are talking about what? I, oneself, and the other person who is Nikhil here. So that is why we have used the word we. So Nikhil and I are neighbors. We live on MG Road. We go to school together. Next. Dash do not want to eat samosas. Dash do not like them. Give me an ice cream. Now, with this sentence, give me an ice cream, we are able to identify that here we are talking about ourselves. So I'll write I. I do not want to eat samosas. I do not like them. Give me an ice cream. Next, Harsh does not play cricket. Now Harsh is a boy, so for boys we use he. So he plays hockey. He is our best hockey player. Harsh does not play cricket. He plays hockey. He is our best hockey player. Next, children, Dash should not talk when I am teaching. Now here, there's a teacher as you can see and she is talking to the children. So in such a situation, which word do we use? We use the word you. Because we know that you is used for the person or people one is talking to. Now here the teacher is talking to the children. And she's saying that children dash should not talk when I am teaching. So here which word will come? You will come. So children, you should not talk when I am teaching. You should attend to the lesson. Okay. Now moving on to the next page, page number 34. Now here again you have to fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it or they. Now the first one is Sarah was dressing. Are Dash going out? Asked her mother. Now children, here someone is talking to Sarah and who is talking to Sarah? Her mother. So here what will come? You will come. Are you going out? Asked her mother. Then what does Sarah says? I am going to Neha's house to play. Then the mother says, come back in time. Dash, have your homework to do. Now here again, you have your homework to do, said the mother. Next, Kapil and Geeta were at the bus stop. Dash were waiting for the bus. Now, we are talking about two children here. And when we are talking about many people or things, we use the word they. So, we'll write they. They were waiting for the bus. Dash is late. Dash is again late, said Kapil. Now, what is late? The bus. And bus is a thing. So, we'll write it here. It is late again. It is again late, said Kapil. Dash want to go back home, said Geeta. Now, Geeta says that she wants to go back home. So, here we'll write I. I want to go back home, said Geeta. Dash should wait for 5 minutes more, said Kapil. Now Kapil is telling Geeta that both of them should wait for 5 more minutes. So here we'll use the word we. We should wait for 5 minutes more. Okay? Now the third one. Children, this I'm leaving for you. It's an easy one. Okay? So try to do it on your own. I'll do the initial part for you. Amit, where is Papa? Now Amit wants to know where his father is, and Papa stands for a man, and for man we use he. So mother says he has gone to office. Then Amit says, and where is Anshu? Now Anshu, the name says that it's a girl. So for girls we use she. So mother says she is in the kitchen. So this much, children, I've done for you. The rest you can fill on your own. So that's all for today, children. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.